Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build customer relationships with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Building customer relationships with Salesforce begins with understanding the platform's capabilities. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Familiarize yourself with, identify the key tools and features within Salesforce that aid in customer relationship management. Create a detailed customer profile by accessing the Contacts tab. Input basic information like names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Incorporate additional data about customer preferences and purchase history. Utilize Salesforce's segmentation tools to categorize your customers effectively. Develop targeted communication strategies by analyzing customer segments. Implement regular follow-ups by setting reminders or automated tasks in Salesforce. Use the Opportunities tab to track potential sales and deepen relationships. Encourage feedback from customers by creating custom surveys using Salesforce tools. Analyze feedback results to gain insights into customer satisfaction and areas for improvement. Leverage Salesforce reports to visualize customer data and trends. Schedule regular reviews of customer interactions and relationships. Train your team on best practices for using Salesforce effectively. Foster a culture of collaboration by sharing insights and customer data among team members. Utilize Salesforce's chatter feature for real-time communication within your team. Create personalized marketing campaigns using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Monitor campaign performance to see how it resonates with your customers. Regularly update customer records to keep information accurate and relevant. Engage with customers through multiple channels integrated into Salesforce. Host events or webinars to strengthen connections with your customer base. Evaluate and refine your customer engagement strategies based on data analytics. Stay proactive in addressing customer needs and inquiries through Salesforce support features. Continuously adapt and innovate your approach to keep customer relationships strong. Celebrate customer milestones and achievements by acknowledging their loyalty. Implement these steps diligently to maximize your customer relationships using Salesforce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.